What's up guys, the Rash here, welcoming you all back into another video. And in today's video, yet again, I have got another Bluetooth speaker by W King, model T9, and it's a portable party speaker. Now you have heard the D8, D9. This T9 is a totally different beast, to be honest with you, from the sound output and the quality it delivers. And from the side of features, this T9 come with all fantastic features you wanted to have for a party, starting with the LED party lighting, auxiliary input port, live mode, bass mode, hands-free mode if you'd like to make mobile phone call, play music from a USB port or micro SD card slot if you want to, or having a true wireless stereo connectivity, which means having these two together, you're going to have a massive sound in your party all together. About 200 watts peak power. That's not bad at all. Now in terms of playtime, you are getting about 24 hours of playtime. The only thing this speaker does not have is the water rating, which obviously for the pool parties, you gotta be a bit careful actually. Now as usual, to start with, within my videos I tend to go extra mile showing each and everything about the product I am reviewing. So this video is no difference at all. Where first to start with, we're going to check out what comes with this T9 party Bluetooth speaker, following with this performance, which will be indoors as well as outdoors for sure. So let's not waste too much of time and see what comes with this T9 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. You get one 3.5mm auxiliary cable, one USB-C type charging cable, one user manual, and a warranty card. Wherein last but not least, you get W King T9 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. In the front of speaker, you're going to notice two line drivers along with the two tweeters as well, with the metallic mesh with the W King logo in the middle. That is obvious that the LED light illuminate around the two line drivers, which looks fantastic, and a color changing too, where all the buttons to control the speaker and status indicator lights are available on the top, starting with the power on and off, mode button selection, LED light control, volume control in the middle, navigational keys, play and a pause as well, where play and pause button on speaker serves also as a mode selection from indoors to outdoor in terms of sound output. Now over on speaker, they also have a very fantastic handle which will help you to carry it around for outdoors if you want to. Or on the back of speaker, we have access for USB output port, which can also take a drive to a micro SD card slot which can go up to 128 gigabytes to play a song from, an auxiliary port to play music from non-Bluetooth supporting devices, a USB-C input port for charging the speaker, and a reset pin if you like to restore the whole device to the factory default setting. Over on the back of the speaker, you're also going to see the information about its specifications following with the base outlet port. You can place a speaker vertically or horizontally if you want to. Come with the anti-slip studs as well to place it horizontally. Now pairing this speaker with your mobile phone is easy and straightforward. Press and hold on power on button. You should be able to see W King T9 within your available devices of your mobile phone. Click onto the pair and off you go. Well, now it's time to go ahead with the audio output performance, where I'll be playing some royalty-free music which will be consisted over the range of frequencies, and we also will going through the indoors and outdoor performance of this speaker because it's a loud one. So indoor would be very loud, outdoor would be decent for sure. here I have connected T9 with my television. Now first let me show you the television sound output at 100%. Now W King T9 sound, where I can control the volume here. Well, now here we are in the end of this video, and I tried my level best to show you each and everything which I can possibly arrange in one video about this Bluetooth speaker. Now, I have shown you indoor performance, outdoor performance, and also connected this speaker with my television too, to use it as a sound bar, which kind of worked good for me, to be honest with you. So I don't need to spend a lot of money on extra soundbar at all. Now let's talk about the build quality to start with. Honestly speaking, you would not find it cheap at all from any aspect around this speaker. The quality which you normally expect from JBL or other big brand speakers, you can expect it from W King, no doubt whatsoever. Now the sound quality, it is always solid and full of bass. There is no distortion whatsoever at high volumes for indoors or outdoors at all. The speaker is so solid and the price you are paying for it so competitive. Put all the competition into the drain, I would suppose so say that. I'll be comparing this speaker with all other brands which I have reviewed in the past as well. Similar range segment for sure, just to give you an idea that which one is the better one. And from the side of controls, everything seems to be where it should be. The volume rocker is fantastic, works great all the time. So is all status indicators too. Now if we look into the all connectivity wise, all connectivity features are fantastic. Starting with the auxiliary port, USB port if you want to. If you got a songs on your USB stick, connect to it and off you go. By pressing the mode button on the top of it, you can switch between different mode of operation, and the speaker would notify you as well. Not that bad actually. Well, in near future I'll be putting a video up for all the W King speakers range, which will give you an idea that how good they are and how long they've been around us. Now that will be completely all, guys. If you want me to compare this speaker with any other speaker I have reviewed in the past, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help. Now that will be completely all, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.